In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DKIM authentication for Gmail in the Google Admin Console. If you want to improve your email security and help prevent your outgoing messages from being marked as suspicious, setting up DKIM is an important step. DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, adds a digital signature to your emails so receiving mail servers can verify that the messages were actually sent from your domain and were not altered along the way. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the setup process clearly and simply. First, open the Google Admin Console and go to the Gmail settings for your organization. To get there, navigate to Apps, then Google Workspace, and then Gmail. This is where you'll find the email authentication settings used to help protect your domain's reputation and improve deliverability. Once you're in the Gmail settings area, click the option labeled Authenticate Email. This will allow Google to generate a unique DKIM key for your domain. This key is specific to your setup, so make sure you're working with the correct domain if your organization manages more than one. When the key is generated, Google will display the DNS information you need to publish. Next, carefully copy the generated hostname and the TXT value string. These two pieces of information are essential because they will be added to your domain's DNS records. It's a good idea to copy them exactly as shown without adding extra spaces or removing any characters. Even a small typo can prevent DKIM from working correctly. After that, open your domain registrar or DNS hosting provider's settings panel. In the DNS management area, paste the host name and TXT value into a new TXT record. Be sure you place each value in the correct field. Depending on your DNS provider, the labels may look slightly different, but you'll usually see a field for the record name or host and another for the TXT content or value. Save the new DNS record once everything has been entered correctly. Keep in mind that DNS changes may take some time to update across the internet. In some cases, the record appears quickly, but with some providers it can take longer. If authentication does not